there are no cars on this road, so here's my little car, and I am on the famous Route 66, which we've been driving now for about 12 miles. There's the I-40 way over there, but here we are. They make it so you can say you rode on it, I guess. How about that? All right, fellas and fellettes, this is Rick Wilson, and we're at the Cadillac farm in Texas. And it's way out yonder. And me and my little 411 is gonna walk out there for you. We'll be back in just a minute. All right, before you get out to the Cadillac Ranch, you can actually stop here and buy paint if you don't have any. Last time we came, there's people leave paint out there, so you don't really have to buy it. Huh? Okay. Last time we came, it was extremely cold.
Oh, it was freezing.
Yeah.
We came in the morning, too.
Yeah. This time, it's extremely hot. Yeah. Oh yeah, I smell the paint. All right, fellas and fellas, this here is Rick Wilson, AOM Garage. At the Cadillac, I can't not see what I'm taking a picture of. I think you can see I'm at the Cadillac Ranch. Anyway, let's see what we can do. All right, this is the globs of paint that has fallen off the roofs. Look at that little one right there. That's hilarious.
Thank you very much. The only time you guys are allowed. Yeah, like kind of.
Looks like there's plenty of paint here. That big old glob of paint that fell off of that roof. Unbelievable. All right, let's see what. OAM Garage. There you go.
about all I got for right now, fellas and fellas, and I'll catch you next time. This has been Rick on the Road, OEM Garage. Later, dude.